Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Polokwane City 0. I'm joined by Tabs.
Yeah, fella, there's no way I can come and watch Lamtutus against Lamtutus while Abu Matulu de Borama Abu Polokwane City is playing. Proudly Limpopian, Steve. Steve. Quality football, Steve. I'm fit too. Inking a conversion rate, Steve. I think if it wasn't conversion rate, Pirates could have scored more goals today. I think Masingena good game. I think still Polokwane City came into the game with that very same mentality towards small teams. When you come to the game, you play behind the balls, but rely on the counter attacks, on the long balls and everything. That's the very same game they played against us, Kukun, and the coach Eric Tingler went on saying it's poor football and everything. But what can you do? It's a small teams against big teams, But they had very much impact coming to the second half. Abu Matuludi having those runs in the Koma side things, in the wing side, and also coming in the likes of Abu Ramabu. I just don't know why didn't they start the game with Ramabu, a very much impactful winger on that other side. Again, he created more chances than the winger that was playing in that game. Having the likes of Abu Mapangule in the midfielder, bringing that stability in the midfielder. Having the likes of Abu Kambara in the midfielder, bringing the structure. Unfortunately, playing behind the ball doesn't allow them to do what they can do the best, because they have the likes of Abu Chavala as the strikers, but unfortunately, playing behind the ball doesn't allow those kind of things. You always rely on the long balls, and you have Tito he's a shoot out long balls. He cannot go high and get the ball because they won't get those kind of balls. But going to the side of Orlando Pirates from the defense, they very much packed very well. Having Siema, having Mbogazi and Daba, and also Barakimang, this guy Usibelebele. You know, Sibelebele can play as a right back and can also play as a right wing. Giving you those qualities going forward, the runs going forward, they're very much impactful and dangerous. But I don't want to talk about much everything, Steve. I just want to talk about Travis Scott, Steve. You know, sometimes they say a comeback is always sweeter, Steve. A comeback is greater than a setback, Steve. I think Tito came into the game today. You saw the past previous games. He didn't have too much of the gains, but one thing they say you can never write off Tito down, Steve. He came in today, Steve. Had a very much impactful game. Even the passes in the midfield, the creativity in the midfield, winning those balls, Steve. Going forward and creating the chances in the box, Steve. Unfortunately, when I say there was a chance that he should have converted, but I actually to breeze, Steve. It was a very, very clear chances that he could have converted. But Tito Mfethu, I think they told him very well, you need to come back to the game. You need to come back and make impactful impact, because the number 10 spot is available at Bafana. With no Tembas on, the number 10 spot is available. Yes, Mbule is playing there, but if we have Tito there, we have Mbule in the midfield, Steve, going to the AFCON. We can make a huge impact of the game. Umchita, he really deserved that man of the match today, Steve, and he must keep that consistency going even in other games. We can talk about his mistakes and everything, but Umchita, when he gets into the game, he always bring that impact. Unfortunately, yes, some games it's not his games, but he bring that impact in the games, Steve. But unfortunately, I think what Pirates need to fix, even going to the next game, which is a very crucial game that they need to score more goals. They need to work on their conversion rate, because Abu Mahopa, they've been getting chances in the box. Abu Apollos, they've been getting chances in the box. Clear chances that they could convert. Just a kick in the box, or convert that very easily you can score. But unfortunately, the conversion rate was very, very slow. So they need to work on the decision making, get into the box, and they can win that upcoming game. It's a very crucial game against that team that beat them, Limpopo, whatever it is, that beat them. They need to score many goals in that game. You need players that can score goals. You need the likes of Obama in the game, Steve. So if they only work on their conversion rate, they can come back. Very tough game. It's not easy. Mathematically, as I told you, it's possible to come back, but theoretically, sometimes it's going to be hard for them to come back. But I think they have the quality in their squad, and I think I'm confident they can come back with that game, Steve.
Man of the match,
Travis Scott, Steve. Patrick Tito Maswanga. Quality, Steve. He just need to keep in the consistency, Steve. That winning the balls in the midfield, they just need to keep in the consistency and never change, Steve. When I say Sinae need to work on his conversion rate, because of years as a striker, sometimes yes, you can play your impact or your secondary goal of getting the balls in the midfield. Having that impactful thing. But as a striker, primarily we need you to score goals. And one thing that Pirates need to know, to win games, you need to score. Yeah. Just like in Bafana Bafana, you see when Bafana Bafana doesn't score, we don't win games. Drawing games, it can never take you anywhere.
Yeah.
They need to score, Steve.
Yeah.
If they need to win games, but they won. Congratulations to them, Steve.
Rotman Botini.
I'm still saying this, my brother. This is for the third time I'm saying this.
Yeah.
When it comes to Chiefs supporters, my brother, Chiefs management, they need to support. They need to respect their supporters.
Sure.
They need to. Why I'm saying that? To look at these supporters. Can you see this, my brother? Can you show them? Look at this. I'm talking about merchandise that cost. 2,000, 3,000, my brother. You get what I mean?
Sure.
So even the players, they must know if Badlale grounding, they must know what is these supporters of Kaizer Chiefs. You know why I'm saying this also, my brother? I'm saying this again. Chiefs supporters, they are loyal to Kaizer Chiefs. If Bebati Amanyama supporters that they are not loyal, Bewazo Makaya not coming where to the stadium. They were like organization talking about the ANC. ANC is not getting votes because people but decide wenzani ukhlala phansi. So what this thing mfethu ngiyatineka. You know these guys Joe Chiefs has got players, supporters that are loyal to that to that team. So Chiefs kumele sign good quality players. Chiefs kumele ithole i-coach engeke imamele i-management. We need to get a coach as always ezokwenza ushow ukuthi these supporters mfethu they are happy. Going home, they are happy. These guys bakhona ukuthengela abantwana abancane i-kit. They don't buy elona lapha kaMayi or kuphi or boma problem. They buy original from kuphi engosini zabo. You get what I mean? So they need to make sure ukuthi they respect the supporters. That's me, my brother. I love Kaizer Chiefs supporters. I love you, Bafethu. Ngicela nibe nami. Wherever you are, I'm with you, guys. But I'm an Orlando Pirates fan. But I love Kaizer Chiefs fan. Thank you.
Thank you, Rodman. I wish you were Mnanda. I couldn't make a Mnanda, Rodman.